Nasdaq 100 traded with a bearish bias this week, where we have seen it achieving record highs at 18,050 levels before showing a pullback. Yes, it was a record run which it has shown in last few weeks. Can we consider this as reversal, or there is further possibility of a rise next week? What is going to be our strategy trading Tech 100 in the coming week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get twice a day releases which I share for Tech 100, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Let's start. Also, if you've not joined the channel memberships, do join the channel memberships and enjoy the benefits. In this analysis, first we look into charts and indicators, and towards the end I will give you the trading strategy and levels watch till. Now see, one thing you should note here, Tech 100 has achieved higher highs here, almost beautifully aligned, and now it is trying to reverse. Last week we have seen that there is a possibility of a reversal as well. See, it has started the month on a flat note, and now it can completely reverse from here, achieving lower lows. Yes, it can. This could be a reversal sign. Previous candle was a swing candle, but also one must note, see what has happened on Tech 100. See the rise, the retracement, the rise. See, farther it goes from the 20 period moving average, the closer it converges, or the faster it converges towards the 20 period moving average. So this candle is going to be important. Right now it is still staying bullish, but the closer of the week on a bearish note suggests that it may continue on the bearish note in the coming week as well. Possibilities there. The stochastic is overbought on the monthly charts. It needs to cool down. MACD is extremely divergent, extremely bullish here, looking upwards. And on the monthly charts, it has still a scope for it to continue with the rise on the upside. RSI is rising, suggestive of bullishness. Coming to weekly. Now, if you look at weekly charts, see it has achieved higher highs. And the lows here are beautifully aligned to the preceding week's low, that is around 17,500, 480. And thus, in the coming week, if you see it breaking below 17,450, first resistance zone, and then 17,300, these are the two levels you should watch out for. Once it stays below 17,300 zone, we can say now the bears will take over and more bearishness is going to be seen in Tech 100. Also, one must note rise, retracement, one retracement candle, then stronger rise. Now it is trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period moving average, which is sitting at around 16,500, and the median of the Bollinger Bands at around 16,300, which is anyways is going to be a greater resistance. You can see this was the breakout after the rise here, and since then it is stayed bullish. So possibility of a retracement exists from the current levels. Moving averages are trading with divergence and bullishness. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is also trading bullish, and it has achieved the peak here. Now, these are extremely high levels for Tech 100. It must try to reverse from the current levels. Thus, in my all expectation, I look forward to a bearish week, and I look forward to now bearishness prevailing here in Nasdaq 100, which may take the prices on the downside. RSI is overbought, and it is started to look downwards. Coming to daily. Now, look at the daily charts here. Rise, retracement towards the 20 period, rise, retracement towards the 20 period. Then again it is coming back to 20 period moving average here. Thus it is very important for Tech 100 to stay below first 17,600 levels, and then look at these 3 to 4 candles. 17,600 anyways is a good resistance, and then 17,500, 480. If these two levels are taken in Tech 100 in the coming week, we can look forward to a drop, and this drop is going to be sharper enough for it to take towards 17,300 should be the first target, and below that we can look forward to a drop towards 17,000 levels this time. Yes, if it stays below 17,300 levels, there could be a sharper drop which will take the prices very soon towards 17,000 and 16,800. If you look at the stochastic, this has dropped. It is trading comfortable as of now on the daily charts. Now another observation on the daily charts is, see the rise here, and after the rise it is just trading in the range here, and whenever it comes out of the range, it is going to be a sharper one, taking it till towards the bottom here. So I'll be waiting for it. Right now it is started to diverge, it is started to look downwards, first bigger bearish candle, and thus from here we can expect the candle size to increase, which can take the prices further down. RSI is looking downwards as well, again sign of bearish. Now look at 4-hour charts here. See the rise here, retracement, lower highs, and after the lower highs it is now looking downwards. See, it has closed the week on a bottom, on a lower levels. Thus in the coming week I expect it to start with the bearish momentum. I expect it to trade below 17,600, and then below that we can look forward to Again, as I said, 17,500, 450, the next support zone. And if it stays below this, we can expect it to drop more towards 17,300. And then below that, more drop can be expected. On the 4-hour charts, now again, the moving averages have started to converge, which can pull the prices little down. The stochastic coming to oversold levels here. This is something you should watch out for, as it can stay a bit oversold and then try to bounce back. MACD is divergent and bearish. It is looking downwards. RSI is looking downwards as well, signs of bearishness. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategies so that you can trade profitably. But before that, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my 29th mentorship batch commencing on 4th of March. Register yourself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And if you just want to join the Signals channel on Telegram, you can ping me on Telegram and write an email again for any of the queries related to the mentorship batch or the Signals channel. And yes, do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and be a part of my platform www.forexfunda.com, where you get all the markets related information, and also you can book a call with me if you need any consultation or guidance. Now, looking at this, where to buy, that is the first. See, first of all, we should look at both the aspects. It is not necessarily that what is reflected on the charts. Yes, it is reflecting bearishness, but it does not mean that what it reflects is the actual hidden information. It can take the prices little up before taking the right trend. Thus, you have to consider both the biases. First, let's talk about the levels to buy. I will only recommend you to buy now at 17,710 levels, but then the nearest resistance it is going to get is 17,760 80 levels. This is the first resistance zone and very strong one. And if it stays above this, we can look forward to 17,835, which is going to be the next milestone. And if it stays above this, then the bullishness may prevail. We can look forward to 17,900 levels. And only if Tech 100 trades above 17,900, consider that as a bullish indication, and it is going to break past 18,000 again. Chances for which appears to be less here. Possibility of a reversal in the current levels from the current levels exists strong. And yes, if it breaks past 18,000, 18,050 zone, this time we will be looking forward to 18,200 levels as the next highs. And beyond that, sky is the limit. We can look forward to 18,350, 500, which can be the top of the channel. But I still see that there is a possibility of a reversal from the current levels. That is, it can try to trade bearish. That will be my expectation. Now, on the downside, where to sell, I will recommend you to sell here at 17,580, below which rather I will say you can this is a comfortable level. Those who want to risk a little can sell at the week beginning itself, at the market open itself, at around 17,640, 630 levels. Expect it to move towards 17,600, 580, and then 17,500, 450 zone. If this zone is taken, then we can look forward to a stronger drop, which can take the prices towards 17,300, the next targets. And below 17,300, this time we will be looking forward to the direct milestone is 17,000 levels, but I will expect it to get the intermittent support at around 17,140 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. And do watch the daily updates. Definitely it will add meaning to your day trading decisions. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading week ahead and a happy weekend. Thank you.